that I forget every time. So given that we're talking about recording, let's just go ahead and jump to that piece first. I actually had a big piece of paper sitting right here saying record, and still didn't quite get it together. So I'm going to go ahead and just share my screen. And I want to hopefully get people to, okay. Hopefully everybody's seeing my screen at this point. Please yell at me if you're not. My hope is that in this course that you have a tab that says 3C Media, and 3C Media will open up, and you'll see the two previous recordings that were done from class 1 and class 2. So you can expect that those are going to be, will be there and hopefully available to yourself. I'd like for folks just to take a moment, and if they would, go through and let me know if you see those or have those. So I don't have anybody muted at this point, so I'm not hearing anything. Don't see any hands raised. So are people finding that 3C Media?
I have them. I see them, Paul.
Okay. How about the rest of the group? Are you logged into your Canvas?
I see it too.
I saw it.
Yeah.
Okay. Good deal. Great. I appreciate people taking a few moments. So the recording from this session will be available hopefully by, well, maybe I think by Monday, if people want to be able to access that. Okay, so I'm just going to go back now and talk, go back to the work that we'll be doing tonight. So one of the things that that definitely came through with us not meeting on a regular basis is that this assignment created a lot of questions for people, a lot of concerns about how it was to be done. And so that's where a little bit later in the session, I'd like to have a chance to give people the opportunity to talk about what they feel is going right, or what they feel we could be doing a little bit differently, and hopefully some solutions on how we might be doing things differently. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and just share my screen for another item, just a second. And in part, I'll tell you, part of this is going to help explain, okay, where is my show all my windows? I'm not seeing my, shoot. Well, let me not share my screen in that case, just because I can't find it. Or actually, maybe I will. And hopefully, are people now seeing something that looks like a program readout? Yes? Saying up at the top left from 310 to 315 to 510?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. All right. So the work that we're doing tonight is the first part of a process where people are going to be doing presentations, where they're going to be doing a presentation in front of other people and being asked to, and other people are going to be asked to provide feedback. And right now, within our course, we've got a fairly, I hope, friendly group that wants to be supportive of one another and may also be able to offer out some positive critique on people's presentations.